such a big town. And we have some nice buildings. Tax office is right over there. That blue building there, that's our tax office. Falmouth is a historical city. Lots of tourist attraction. Where? Will you be specific?
Based on the building and by the port where the ship comes in.
So we have the port where the ship comes in.
The parish church.
The parish church
With a huge clock.
is right there, over there on your left. You're right, I mean. Yeah. And you know, as far as structures like building, in terms of building, they try to preserve the older buildings. You know, not really modern. We have people selling here their goods. They want to accommodate the passengers, like the tourists coming in off the ship. So I think the cruise ships coming in is bringing in a lot of revenue for Falmouth. And that's your sea right here. We have the hospital. Police station is right over here. Police station there.
Police station over this side. Where is the police station?
Police station.
Police station. And
look. Guys, take a look over there. That's your big cruise ship. Can we drive down there?
No, we are going to drive. We're going to stop.
Cruise ship is in.
Cruise ship now go. You can see the women.
Guys, take a look. Far. Right down there, that's Falmouth. I would like to go down there, but the signal is all blocked off. So guys, I'm in Falmouth, right here at the pier where the cruise ships docked in Falmouth, Trelawney, guys. And look at it, guys, up close and personal. It's right here. Wonder of the Seas, Royal Caribbean, up here in Falmouth, guys. I think it's leaving tomorrow. Up here in Falmouth, Trelawney, guys. Beautiful sea. Look at the sea. Right here, we have some big rocks all over here. And this is what is surrounding it, right, guys. Beautiful. Look at it. Caribbean Sea is right here, and we have the big cruise ship right here. Just came in. I think it came in today or yesterday. I'm not sure, but it's right here. It's so big. It's not even doing it justice. It's huge. Royal Caribbean. Wonder of the Sea. That's the name of it. It's very windy out here. Try to get closer to the ship. So these little kids just help me to do a little part of this business. So they're so excited. Oh man, this is beautiful. I wish I was on this ship sailing across the ocean. Beautiful. Up here in FALMOUTH Jamaica. So if you're on your way to Ocharias, Kingston, down to Needham, stop by for a few pictures. Very nice. And the school is right over there. What you call this? Machine gun? Yeah, it's a machine gun. Somebody told me that's a machine gun a long time when you know FALMOUTH. I don't know too much about the history of FALMOUth, but all I can tell you is it's sort of told about a nation building and all of that. So it's right here on the seafront. Not that big, it's like a small town. Wow. So guys, I'm at Glistening Water in FALMOUTH. This is a nice little hotel. And I'm gonna show you what the rooms looking like. So in case you are in FALMOUTH and you like to book into this hotel. So we are trying two different prices, guys. One is international and one is for local price. You get a local price. So I'm just going to see the one for local price if you are Jamaican. So it's two different prices, one for foreigners and one for Jamaica. So we are just going to, I am going to show you the one for locals. So upon entering, we have a bathroom here and a tub looking clean and nice. Towels are all white, looking good. Here is your bedroom, one queen size bed. You have a little table here, a little iron and a safe, which is very important to put your important documents. We have a dresser right here, nice floor. Fridge is here, and this is your view. And we have the nice mirror right here. Of course, private backyard over here. Not too much going on in the back. Beautiful water is here. So now I'm walking you down here. I want you to get a good view of the water. What's up with the water part? With the mineral.
Oh, it's glistening.
So this.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the water here, the glistening water, and you have the boat that takes you out at night. So it glistens at night. So some form of mineral, I was told, that is in the water to cause it to glisten like that at night. And if you look right here on this brochure, this is what the picture at night looks like. You got a boat ride, which is included in your room rate. The boat ride is included, guys. So here, if you booked here, you got a free boat ride out as complimentary along with your room. So guys, this is it. And now if you look over there, you are looking all the way over into the FALMOUTH town, and this is all your boats here ready to take you out at night to see this water glistening. And we have a bar over here, seems as if it's not in operation, but this is your pool, and from this side you can see the full view of the hotel, and there is the glistening water tour bus right here. So here we go guys, glistening water tour bus. It's glistening water, luminous lagoon, Jamaica's only natural night attraction. So for your night attraction, this is the place to be, where you can see the water glisten, and you get continental breakfast, which includes a wide variety of food. Ackee and saltfish bread, if it's in season, callaloo, fried dumpling, you know, the typical Jamaican breakfast. So I'm at glistening water, like I said, and I'm just here out on the waterfront, just taking in the nice cool sea breeze coming in, and this is what the water is looking like. And we have a little pond up here, and the water is just here, and your fishing boats are all over there. The water is not... Can you swim in this spot? People swim in this water? Yeah, this is not your typical water to swim into. It's more like shooting fishes and taking a ride out. So like I said guys, this water is very, very, how do I put it? Like I said, it glistens at night, and it's because certain form of mineral is in it. That's why it is called the glistening water. As you can see written on the boat over there, glistening water, because at night it shines because of the mineral inside the water. And this is in FALMOUTH. So I'm taking you down here to the dining room area, and I think we have a bar down here and a restaurant is here. This is like 5 o'clock in the evening, very calm and nice. And this is the dining room area. As you can see, nice chairs, and water is over on that side also. This is what the hotel is looking like. Nice rooms I just showed you. It's not too big. And now I'm at the dock area here where all the boats are, and these are your boats ready to take you out to see that water glisten at night. So now I'm walking down the pier. I'm walking down the pier. Hey guys, I'm walking down the pier, and this is more like a lagoon, right? Right, Bob? It's more like a lagoon. It's not like a typical swimming water to swim. It's like a lagoon. That's why I want to music to come. in my video. Music in my video. Yeah, it's a bit quiet. When are they gonna get lively in the night?
Good night.
What? Yeah, guys, so this is where you come to get your breakfast in the morning. Where? Oh, up there. And so it's a chill spot. Chill spot. Not too much fuss. This spot is deep.
Yes, man. Not deep.
And look at, is that a crane, right? That's a crane. And I see a crane sitting there just relaxing in the water. Nice place. Nice palm trees. Fish in there, what kind of fish?
See, fish in the fish.
What, bass?
No,
Snapper?
this is not seawater. Don't lean on it. This is not.
Me not lean funny, man.
This is seawater mixed with mango water.
Seawater mixed with mangrove water.
You see where, yeah, you see where
So it's a lagoon.
You see where the hotel is?
Mm-hmm.
Right where the bushes start, from like going to the seawater.
Mhm.
All those are swamp, you know.
Swamp.
Yeah. So they're perch.
Okay, perch. Can catch perch, blackfish, and nobody know kete kete. Kete kete. Yeah. Mudfish. So you're free to come over here and come fish, or you have to ask permission?
No, you can't come and no really fish if you want fish.
So guys,
People come with them boat.
you
can't
can
stop somebody's boat.
you can catch fish like blackfish, kete kete, perch, snook, John Mariger, mullet, tarapong. All those fishes you can catch them right here. But I don't know, you have to ask permission, right?
No, if you come in here to do it, but if you have your boat, you're going to the sea, you're going to the inside.
Okay, so if you had your boat,
Yeah.
you can come and just, fish. And
I'm going to allow you to fish from here.
you can fish from the hotel area, guys. Just
they don't want response when I'm
get out with your boat, or if you can find a spot and show your fishing line, you're good to go. Catch your mullet, catch your dinner fish, and you're good. So yes, guys, glistening water, the place where the water glistens at night. And that is included in your package if you booked your hotel here. So it's phosphorus, let it glisten like this? So
There's only two places.
phosphorus in it, cause it to glisten.
Yeah.
So I don't know the science behind that. Just know that this is just a unique place where the water glistens at night. So guys, this is what it looks like at night. See how it is? See how it's glistening? That's how it looks at night. Take a look at it. Wow, glistening water at night. Check this plant out, guys. I don't know what to call this plant here. It's like it's from the cactus family. So you can also read what it's saying here. Bioluminescent water. Glow behind the boat. And this is your view from the road, guys. That's it. View from the front of the hotel. And this is your entrance view, guys. restaurant and marina, and the Luminous Lagoon Rock Falmouth View. Nightly boat rides, and that's your information. If you want to get in touch with this place, and we have nice tables and chairs here. Very beautiful, and now it's sunset. And as you can see, the cloud, the sun is kind of behind the clouds, getting ready to set. And just look out at the water, how beautiful it is, with all the boats docked here in this lagoon.